Welcome to NoCodeNerd episode 9. So, today we're talking about Gumroad, and so I cannot express how wonderful Gumroad is. Gumroad lets you sell anything, anywhere, on any website, or just any place, right? It lets you just sell your product super easily and collect payments. It's a payment collection system that just functions beautifully. So, let me show you what it looks like. Boom. So, this is Gumroad. Basically, start selling. That's just what you think. You sign up for a little account, and then you can go to your product list up here in the top, and you can just make a product. I'm going to click New Product. Start selling today. I can create a pre-order system. I can create a membership so I can charge per month. It's just wonderful. So I can name a product like Awesome Thing, right? And then I go to next, customize. It's $20. My awesome thing is $20. I put an image up. I price all the different versions of it. I upload maybe some content. If there's a URL people can go to buy the product, I redirect them to the URL. If there's a file that I want to upload, I can make online courses with this. I can sell ebooks with this. I can sell anything digital, and I can get shipping information for anything physical. I can offer variations of the product. I can create coupon codes. I can ship to different countries. There's no ends. It's the simple. I can sell a product. I could get if you gave me an ebook, I could get it up and running, ready to sell in literally like 3 minutes using Gumroad, and then I can go and I can embed it on a website. If you remember, I think episode 1 of this, it was Card, and Card lets you build really simple websites. So on this little simple website, I created an embed, right, and then I pasted some really simple script that Gumroad gave me, right? No coding, no nothing. I just grabbed, copy, pasted a little thing into the right place. I publish this, and boom, this is what it looks like. It's just buy my product. I click this little fancy Gumroad button down here, and it redirects me to a pop-up. It creates its own pop-up on wherever it's embedded, and I can just buy whatever kind of thing that I want. In this case, it's a little shirt with a dumb little Mario on it. So, and I can, however many quantities, I buy it, boom, pops everything up, right? It's amazing. Highly recommend Gumroad. If you're selling anything online, anything physical, if somebody buys something from you physically, it'll give you the shipping information for the person you need to send it to, and you can just ship it yourself. It also integrates with a ton of other tools, so if you need to do drop shipping or something else like that, it works beautifully for that purpose as well. In this case, this is integrated with something called Printful, which I'll do another video on in the background to completely automate the drop shipping of shirts. So, love it. If you need to sell anything on the internet, highly recommend checking out Gumroad. Links will be somewhere. Find it. It's either in the comments or the whatever. You get it. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.